Ready? Start. The instant petition has been placed before us today in pursuance of order of Honorable Senior Judge dated 28/8/2021, passed on the urgency application of the petitioners. Full stop. We have heard Miss Ila Deol, advocate, assisted by Sri P.N. Shukla, advocate, on behalf of the petitioners, Sri J.N. Maurya, learned chief standing counsel, I, along with Sri Viren Kumar Pal, learned standing counsel, and Sri Kausalendra Nath Singh on behalf of respondent numbers, full stop, 1 and 2 respectively, full stop. We have also heard Sri Nitesh Anand, along with Sri Sunit Kumar, advocate, on behalf of Residents Welfare Association of Gardenia Gateway, Noida, which claims to have filed caveat application in the matter, full stop, para. The petitioners have assailed the validity of a communication dated 14/10/2020 between General Manager Planning, Noida and Senior Manager Work Circle 6th, Noida, full stop. The said internal communication between two authorities of Noida mentions that on receipt of complaints from the residents of Gardenia Gateway, Noida, various notices were issued to the developer, respondent number 3, Muhammad Adnan, and 9 others versus State of UP and 2 others on 29th August 2021. From time to time, full stop. It speaks about the developer having not complied with the requisite formalities to obtain occupancy certificate, albeit possession having been handed over to the allottees, full stop. It further mentions that in the parking area, there is water, seepage and malba has been dumped, resulting in difficulty to the residents in parking their vehicles, full stop. The developer has not constructed boundary wall in front of commercial complex, full stop. It had erected kiosk in a setback area, full stop, para. It is also alleged that more than sanctioned number of shops has been constructed, full stop. The chief executive officer is stated to have passed an order on 23/9/2020 for demolition, full stop. The communication requires the planning development to be informed so that its officials remain present along with sanctioned plan at the time of demolition, full stop. A residential commercial complex by name of Gardenia Gateway, Noida has been developed by respondent number 3, full stop. The petitioners claim to be allottees of different shops in the commercial complex in Gardenia Gateway, Noida, full stop. They claim that no notice or opportunity of hearing was given to them and the authority is intending to demolish their constructions, full stop. It is alleged that the application filed by developer for compounding of constructions beyond the permissible FAR is pending, full stop. The petitioners as well as the developer are ready to deposit composition charges, full stop, para. Sri Kausalendra Nath Singh, learned counsel for respondent number 2, points out that after passing of the demolition order, when the developer filed composition application, it was required to comply with certain formalities by issuing notice dated 2/3/2021, full stop. However, the same has not been complied with so far and consequently, it is not possible to take notice of the composition application, full stop. He further points out that only part of the constructions which have been raised in excess of approved constructions, are compoundable, the remaining have to be demolished, full stop. He submitted that the authorities shall issue notice to the developer specifying the portion which is compoundable and that which is not compoundable, within 3 days from today, and take the proceedings to their logical conclusion.